Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson from TootieLicious.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a blueberry pound cake. The ingredients we'll be using are 3 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 6 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of salt. Then we have half a cup of sour cream or softened cream cheese. You can also use applesauce. Unsweetened is what I prefer. And if you decide to use this option, just use a half a cup in the mixture. Half a cup strawberry extract, half a cup 7-Up, 1 cup chopped blueberries. The next thing we'll do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First we'll cream the butter and sugar. Next, we'll add in the eggs one at a time. And we'll continue to beat that mixture until all the eggs are added. Once all the eggs are added in, slowly add in the flour, about a half a cup at a time. Then you add in the sour cream, the applesauce, the baking soda, the vanilla extract, and the salt while beating the mixture on a low speed. 1 cup chopped blueberries. Half a cup strawberry extract, half a cup 7-Up. So now we're ready to bake our cake. So we're going to bake the cake for about an hour and 10 to 15 minutes, or until you can stick a toothpick inside the center. And if it comes out clean, then that means your cake is done. So there you go. That's how you make a blueberry pound cake.